Hello everyone, my name is Bhargav and I'm from the MCA department at Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I'm excited to share a Power BI dashboard I created using e-commerce data. The goal of this project is to analyze sales performance by category and payment methods, discount trends across different product categories, and average prices of the products. I have used bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts to visualize the data, making it easy to understand key insights like which categories perform best, preferred payment methods, and where discounts are highest. This dashboard highlights my skills in data analysis and visualization using Power BI. I am passionate about turning data into insights, and I hope you find this project valuable. Thank you for watching, and I would love to hear your feedback to keep improving.